Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. You guys definitely should have taken a boat. Do you know how short this runway is? This is literally the shortest runway in the world. And we're in a pretty big plane to be landing here, so if you did any amount of research, you should have known better than to be on this plane right now. But I'm going to do my best. I can't guarantee anything. Remain seated, seatbelts securely fastened, life vests are located under the seat in front of you and can be inflated by pulling on the tab on the left side. We'll be on the ground or in the water momentarily. Thank you.